It's technology on an industrial scale.
No one else in Africa is doing this.
We are putting Africa on the map.
We are not backing down. We are already the largest in Africa.
Master Power Technologies is the first of its kind, providing tailored end-to-end data center solutions that deliver the infrastructure that is required for growth. Our data centers deliver a total solution with rapid deployment, high efficiency, optimized serviceability, and are customizable to be installed in the most demanding and remote locations on the continent.
This is the way forward. Africa must solve its own challenges. We are growing, and our demand for data is growing exponentially. Our data centers are flexible, efficient, and much more cost-effective. It's simple. We are in Africa for Africa.
In addition to state-of-the-art infrastructure, our highly skilled in-house team provides supporting services, ensuring that the data centers run optimally, maintaining uptime, and keeping the center future-ready.
We recently received our 4th Frost & Sullivan Leadership Award for our industry-leading data center solution. Our monitoring and management solution is a cutting-edge, integrated real-time platform specifically designed to meet power challenges in Africa. We optimize local support requirements using automated online technologies to keep businesses running smoothly. In doing so, we created customer value that extends beyond system uptime.
The highly skilled team includes a total of 9 accredited tier designer engineers across various disciplines to ensure that data centers are purpose-designed to operate under optimal performance.
We offer a turnkey solution. Our manufacturing facility is about 7,000 square meters, where we manufacture and assemble our steel modules. Our data center solution includes design, project management, commissioning, installation, and testing data center infrastructure. We also do backup power, cooling, monitoring, and management of the site after project delivery. We do everything.
The data center solution is more than just offering world-class infrastructure. It offers world-class expertise with local experience to successfully address the unique challenges within our continent. Our teams provide supporting services, ensuring that the data centers run optimally and maintain uptime. We support our customers to connect Africa